Okay.
Right, and if you're super worried about that, you can always choose a decorative stitch. You know, depending on the machine that you have, it's either going to be in your manual or on the front of the machine, or in this case, in the top of the machine. And you can choose from a number of decorative stitches that don't really have a crazy repeat like that you might run into these problems.
That's why we test first. And I don't like to test. That's a four-letter word, but we should be doing it.
And then once you've hooped your fabric, and you know, you can center your design and, you know, audition your design where you want it, then you need to insert it onto the machine. And every machine is going to be a little bit different, but it's all basically the same principle. So you lock your hoop in place, and you position your presser foot down onto the surface of the fabric. It's going to hover a little bit over, actually. And then it's just a matter of pressing start. And the design just starts working. And you can refer to your machine screen here, which is going to tell you all the pertinent information about your design. So this design has 3,706 stitches, and you can see we're on stitch, 126, 137, and it's going to take 6 minutes to stitch out. And we're using just one thread spool, one thread color, which is this Prussian blue here. And then this is our finished design, what it's going to look like. And this little cross right here that's moving across the design is showing us exactly where the needle is on the fabric currently. So that gives you a good idea if you needed to stop for any reason, if you had an unforeseen thread tangle or something like that, which very rarely happens. But if you did, you could stop the machine and just go back a little bit, and you would know exactly where you needed to be. So I'll just press stop, and you can see our finished design right over here that's perfectly done. We didn't need any talent in order to make it happen. The machine did all the work for us. And if you don't happen to have one of these machines, don't fear.